Hey class, my name is Michelle Bates. I really enjoyed the story Everyday Use by Alice Walker. And I guess the character that I associated most with was the mother, because I am a mother. I have two children. Um, I always wonder if I did a good job raising them. I always want to hear them give me um, confirmation that I did a good job so I can see where the mother in this story is coming from. Although we probably don't hear that enough, it's always in the back of your mind whether you did the right thing, whether you did a good job. So that's the character that I associate most with. Um, I grew up with a dad who was convinced that we were part Indian. He thought that his grandmother was 100% Cherokee Indian. So a couple of years ago, him and five of his sisters did the DNA testing through Ancestry.com and come to find out that they are 0% Cherokee Indian, and more shockingly, they're 50% Irish. So go from thinking, you're Indian to you're Irish. And I think it shocked him the most. His house is decorated in Indian decorations. He has Indian statues, that kind of stuff. So I think he was really shocked to find out that he wasn't Indian. So I don't really have any family heirlooms to show. We moved around a lot. We don't have anything like that. So other than that, thank you for watching.